National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, western Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4 p.m. At 11:57 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across portions of the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Gloucester City, Norristown, Deptford, West Deptford, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Yadden, Woodbury, Conshohocken, and Fulcroft. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 328 and 341. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 22. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 329 and 351. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 16 and 25. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 14 and 19. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 29. This includes the following streams and drainages: Crosswicks, Neshaminy, Schuylkill, and Lower Delaware. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.